and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a cooking video. Today I'm making something very simple and very easy, inspired by the wonderful Gaz and Ange of the Kershaw's Adventures. I'm making Cheshire Cat Tails. I have some puff pastry, I have some chocolate chips, and I have the only purple food colouring I could get. Should be nice and easy. Preheat in the oven in a sec, and then we will get making Cheshire Cat Tails. Also, to go with it, to wash it down, I have some juice. I have guava, orange, and passion fruit. Anyone got any ideas what I'm going to be making? First things first, we're going to get out the puff pastry, roll it out, and we'll pop the chocolate chips in. So I've got the puff pastry laid out, don't need to roll it by the looks of it. I'll give it a little bit of a roll, but nothing too much. And chocolate chips in there. Not quite like that, I need to empty the packet, but that's the next job. So your chocolate chips are now onto the pastry. Now I'm going to fold this bit over to this bit, and then we can cut it into 6. So that was very, very sticky. It's been very hard to get it over there. As you can see there, it's a little bit thin, so we'll see how that one turns out. But chocolate chips are now sandwiched in there, so we're going to cut this, pop them in a baking tray, egg wash them first actually, pop them on the baking tray, and stick them into the oven. Let's crack on. So they're now all cut. Now time to twist them and egg wash them. Got 6 out there. I mean, they're going to be quite big. You could probably cut them in half, but let's twist them first and see what's what. So that is 3 of them done. Don't really look that great. I mean, they keep getting stuck to the paper, which is a bit of an issue. But I guess we'll see how they turn out when we put them in the oven. Chocolate chip. Yum. There are the other 3 of the Cheshire Cat Tails. They haven't twisted too well. I think because they were very sticky, they haven't twisted, which is a bit of a pain. But got a few chocolate chips to escape, which I'm going to eat in a minute. Just going to grab an egg and we're going to egg wash that. Time to egg wash these. That is the Cheshire Cat Tails made. Now to put them in the oven. A discrepancy as to how long for. Kershaw say 10 minutes. Christmas more say 30 to 35. So we can try for about 15. I'm going to keep an eye on them, see when they go golden brown, and then we will get them out, ice them, and make some pog juice or some jungle juice to enjoy whilst we have a Cheshire Cat Tail. So whilst the Cheshire Cat Tails are in the oven, I'm going to start making the icing. I have my icing here and some purple food colouring, the only one I can get. It'll do the job. Don't know how much icing to put in, so focus on that, not me. There we go. Don't know how much icing to put in, so we're just gonna do it by eye, see what happens, hope for the best, eh? And see you in a sec. Yeah, we'll go like that. Oh, yeah. See what happens. And probably a bit much, but oh well, we'll see what happens, eh? So, now my neighbours have started doing something in the garden. Great. Anyway, darker and lighter. Light purple, dark purple, light purple, dark purple. That is the icing made. By the looks of it, the Cheshire Cat Tails have about 5 minutes left on the timer. Let's go and have a look and see what they look like, shall we? That steamed up very quickly. Quick look at them in the oven. They're not brown yet. Let's see how long another 5 minutes, well that does to it. So hopefully you can hear me over my neighbours strumming in the background. 15 minutes wasn't enough for the Cheshire Cat Tails, so we've gone back in and put them in for another 5 minutes, but we'll see whether that's long enough or not. I don't think it's going to be. But just keep them in until they are ready. In the meantime, I have some passion fruit juice. I have my orange juice, and I have some guava juice. Should we make some jungle juice? So, I really don't need to explain how to make a juice, but start off with some ice. I don't know what percentages is it, just a third of each? I'm gonna have to have a little bit of a Google and see what's going on. Yeah, I do like a bit of jungle juice, so Give me a minute, I'll double check exactly what percentages we're going here, and let's make some hog juice. I've got a stirrer. Tastes exactly like jungle juice. Could do probably a bit more passion fruit and guava. Might be a bit too much orange in there, but very good. So that is the Cheshire Cat Tails out of the oven. If anything, they were a bit overcooked. A little bit, maybe a little bit too brown, but we'll wait for them to cool. We'll pop our icing on them and see how they taste. Right, so they're off of the trays, just hopefully make them cool a little bit quicker. Some of them, like this one here, haven't really opened up at all. This one I think is the best one. I think this is going to be the best Cheshire Cat Tail. Doesn't look too bad. That one looks alright. Looks a bit thin in the middle, and that one looks okay. So, let's wait for them to cool down. Well, I'm probably going to cool them down by wafting them. But, let's wait for them to cool down, and we will ice them and give them a taste. I want my Cheshire Cat Tails. I'll be back momentarily once these have cooled down. Right, so they're not 100% cold, but they are a lot colder than they were, and they're cool enough to put the icing on. So, let's crack on, get the icing on these bad boys, and see what they taste like. Well, I'm not going to have very much because it's nearly dinner time. Anyway, crack on with the icing. So there they are, all iced. They don't look too shabby, I guess. I mean, they're not as good as the Disney ones, but they're alright. Anyway, I'll plate them up, and then we'll give them a taste. So, Cheshire Cat Tails are done. They look a little bit crispy, I'm not gonna lie. But, anyway, let's try some. As I thought, a little bit crispy, but they're alright, they're not bad. Not my best, but they do. So that is going to do it for this video making Cheshire Cat Tails and the jungle juice. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, let me know below. See what other Disney cooking videos I can do for you. Yeah, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not already following me on my social media, my Twitter is @NathanStaker1, my Instagram is @NathanStaker, and Facebook is NathanStaker1997. If you want to email me, it is nathan.staker@gmail.com. But that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you real soon. Bye guys.